Hello mga ging! Welcome back to my channel! So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Okay? So for today's vlog, we're going to review another handbag, which is the Louis Vuitton New Wave Pm. There you go. This is the bag. Excuse my nails, guys, ha? There you go. This is the Louis Vuitton New Wave Pm. This is the smallest size, guys. Okay. Ayan, guys. So this is the Louis Vuitton New Wave PM. This is the smallest size. Okay, let me show you a closer look. There you go. Ayan. So today, guys, I'm going to do a short review regarding this bag and also what's inside my bag. Kasi kakauwi ko lang, guys. So I decided to make a review regarding this bag. So, di ba? Why not? Sayang yung oras, kaya go. Push natin to. Yan. So I think I'm going to show you first what's inside my bag. Okay? First thing is a pen. Yes, a pen. Sanitizer, powder. Yeah, this is the Laura Mercier, if you want to know. Antibacterial wipes, and my wallet. I don't carry a big wallet with me because I only take my cards with me, guys. Especially here in UK, most of the shop only accept cards. And next, I have a allergy tablets just in case. I always have this, guys. So this is the EpiPen kasi meron akong severe allergy and I need to have this with me all the time. And the last thing, this is the Poo-pourri. Yan. So, alam niyo, you don't know when you need to go. So, make sure na huwag kayong mag-iwan ng mga alaala. Alam niyo na, yung mga alaala. Masamang alaala. Ayan, I think that's it. That's it. And that's it. So this is the New Wave. This is the booklet, guys. And guys, so now that you saw what's inside my bag, I think it's about time for me to give you a quick review regarding this bag. So again, guys, this is the New Wave PM. This is the smallest size. I believe there's a MM, which is the bigger size. Okay, so this bag is made of calfskin leather. All the trimmings as well are made of calfskin leather. So I think this is more heavier compared to the canvas handbag. So, ayan, so this bag comes with a long strap where you can wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody handbag. It also comes with a top handle which has Louis Vuitton embossed on it. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, it's so colorful. I love it. So, napaka-colorful, diba? So, I think kaya ko ito nagustuhan ay dahil lang dito. Sa totoo lang. Ayan, guys. So, you can remove this. this bag, guys, is you can take this from day to night. You can be fun during the day, and then you can be classier during the night. So you just carry it like this at night. See? Just so classy. It's like that. Pa-sweet. Ganon. And then if you want to be more quirky, more fun, then just show this top handle with all this colorful signature of Louis Vuitton. See? Diba ang ganda? Yun lang. Okay, so let me show you the inside part. So the inside part, guys, is made of microfiber lining. As you can see, it's kind of like a suede. And it has one small inner pocket. And then the closure, guys, it has like a tiny small button there where you press it. If you want to open it, you just press that part. It will just open up. I also love the chevron pattern. I love the pattern. Yeah. I also love the bottom part, guys. As you can see, diba? Para siyang wave. Kaya nga siya New Wave, diba? Kaya nga New Wave yung name niya, kaya ganyan. So I think, guys, that's it. So like I've said, guys, I had this bag for almost 2 years now. So I can honestly tell you that I have a love and hate relationship with this bag. So if you would like me to give you the pros and cons regarding this bag, please comment down below and I will do it for you, and I will try to make a more in-depth review regarding this bag. So before kayo umalis, guys, please watch this. Guys, mega love shout out kay Doktora pala for requesting this video. Yes, I'm going to put down his link down below so you can check as well his multimedia channel. Yes, he's doing also lots of reviews, so guys, so please go and check it out. Ayun na guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more of my handbag collection, please comment down below and I will try to make it happen. So mga gings, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Okay? Bye! See ya!